Dear student of class 7, today we will going to discuss chapter 3, elaboration on MS Excel 2007. MS Excel is a spreadsheet application that is mainly used for manipulating and arranging data in a grid of rows and columns. Spreadsheet means it is spread in form of a sheet, and it has the sheet it is spread in form of a sheet, and the smallest unit of sheet is called cell. Cell is the smallest unit of a sheet or worksheet. It is formed by the intersection of rows and columns. In MS Excel there are 10,48,576 rows, and that are marked with number like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and 16,384 columns that are marked with alphabet like A, B, C and so on. Now, cell is the intersection of row and column. As shown in the figure, a cell is formed by the intersection of row B, means the horizontal row, and intersection of is formed by the intersection of horizontal row 2 and column B. So, by the intersection of row 2 and column B, a cell is formed, that is shown in figure. Now, a combination of cell or group of various cell can form a worksheet. So, worksheet is a collection of various cell together. Now, these worksheet, like such a worksheet can form a workbook, means a workbook is a collection of two or more worksheets, and by default in Excel there are 3 sheets. If we want to add more sheet, we can easily add more sheet, and if we want to delete any sheet, we can easily delete any sheet. Now, whatever work we do in Excel is saved in form of a workbook, and in workbook by default there are 3 worksheet, and the extension of Excel workbook is .xls. Now, current cell and active cell, as cells are the intersection of rows and columns. Now, a current cell is a cell which is selected, or a cell in which we are entering any data, that is called a current cell or active cell. Like here, a cell shown by the intersection of column A and row 3 is the active cell, and it is highlighted. Now, cell address. The cell address is the address of that active cell in a worksheet, and the cell address is named with the help of column name and row number. First, we write column name, like here we display it as column is A. So column name is A and row is 3. So row number is 3. So the cell address of current cell or active cell is A3. Next, cell range. A group of cells are known as cell range. When we select more than 2 cells that form a cell range, as shown in figure. Here 4 cells are selected, so the group of 4 cells is called cell range. Now, the cell range are named as, or address of cell range are started with the first cell and the last cell. Started with the first cell and end with the last cell, and it is separated by colon, as the first cell is A2 means the column is A and the column is A and the row is 2, so A2, and the second last cell is B3, the column is B and the row is 3, so the address of cell range is A2 to B3 and it is separated by colon. So this is about the basics of MS Excel. Now in next video we will discuss about cell references. Thank you.